Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the future of home energy with the 5 best smart plug-and-play home battery systems of 2025. If you're looking to save on your energy bills, go green, or just want a backup power source, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. Number 1.
The Extreme. We're always ready for it. Anker Solix X1. The Extreme Performance Energy Storage System.
We will be experiencing heavy thunderstorms.
X1 is proactively smart. It auto-recharges to maximum capacity upon getting a severe weather alert.
Yeah, preparation is everything.
Even in the moments of power outage, it adjusts so quickly, you won't even feel it.
Oh wait, is our neighborhood having a power outage?
Ava, maybe you should get an X1 just like your neighbors.
Oh, why?
The Anker Solix X1 has high power output even when you're off-grid, to power almost all the appliances all at once. For everyone at home to keep doing what they love. So life stays always on with X1's resilient power. But what if the power goes out longer? Build your home microgrid with X1 and solar panels for uninterrupted power during extended power outages. To keep life going fresh and easy the entire way. Every battery pack in the X1 has its individual energy optimizer, providing more attainable energy to maximize usage. X1 stores power from the solar panel during the day to be used when the sun is down, efficiently saving on energy bills and even make a profit.
Yeah, easy. Check this out.
X1 sells electricity back to the grid during peak hours to maximize profits. The Anker Solix X1 maintains always-on power in extreme weather. When it's the harshest test for any battery system, it heats up automatically at low temperatures to keep it charging in the cold. So even during the power outage in the extreme winter, we ensure that you will always have power for everything you need. Hey James, did you just get a new EV?
Yup, and I'm powering up my X1 for it.
X1's power and capacity can be expanded to fit your needs that might change unexpectedly, so you have always-on power, ready for the extreme.
Anker Solix. Live in power.
Number 2.
EP760 is a whole-house energy storage system that allows for a customized capacity by stacking up with expansion batteries. Integrate the system into the main grid to provide a flexible power solution for your home. The operation temperature of EP760 makes it adaptable and responsive in most conditions, covering all your household power needs. At sunrise, solar panels collect the solar energy and store it within the EP760 for daily power consumption at home. In the afternoon, the electricity price is increasingly higher, and the sunlight intensity reaches its peak. Then it can replace the main grid to provide a whole house power supply. When the electricity cost peaks at night, the excess energy stored during the day can power high wattage appliances effortlessly. Once a power outage occurs, EP760 is always on call as a backup power source. Use the intelligent Bluetti app to control and monitor the power consumption of EP760 during different periods. Go solar, live green. This sustainable lifestyle can save your energy as well as your bills in the long run.
Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting content.